Hello, today I will tell you a bit about ChatGPT, which is AI tool which can help you in your daily basis. So currently I'm using 3.5, but there is 4.0, but it's a paid version. So if you really enjoy it, you can decide just to upgrade to it. So you can ask ChatGPT whatever you want, but you need to keep in mind that it doesn't have real-time access to the internet. So the data is up to 2022 January. And for example, you can even ask what I can visit in Rome. So it will make your plan what you can visit in Rome. So as you can see, it generated 8 objects that you can visit. And also you can ask, what could I eat there? And you can write that you prefer local food. Oh, okay. And it's just absolutely, of course, the pizza, pasta, and all other meals. You can also ask ChatGPT about the calculations. So for example, you can ask how long should it take, for example, to save for you 5,000 if you add for your savings 250. So for example, 5,000. Okay, so you'll write the query and he will calculate for you. So if you want 5,000 and you add 250 a month, so with like a time in months, so it will be 12 months. And you can ask, could you provide answer in years? And he will calculate for you. And it will be 1.67 years. Just for you to save 5,000 if you're adding 250 a month. So in the conclusion, the ChatGPT is really powerful. You can ask whatever you want. For example, a recipe, you have some kind of ingredients in your fridge. It will generate it for you, how to cook something. Or you can ask various questions from your daily life. So thank you for watching, and it was a really short introduction to the ChatGPT.